Okay, so I want to show you guys something. This is a polished wheel, and you can see some curb damage right there that I'm going to fix. And it's got that chrome finish to it. But I want to show you why I do what I do. See this? This has been fixed by some other rim repair person, probably wherever they got it from. And you can see there's one of two options. You can just sand it down and leave it like this, or you can do it the way I do it. So let me show you how I do it. All right, let's knock this out. And so you can see like the other, you can clear coat that and leave it and it will look like the other. But I choose to paint it. Let me show you why. So I've got my card on. Now you want to make sure you clear it real good. And you want to shoot from a distance to start off with. Now tell me that, to me, looks better than that. And yes, I'm going to paint this one too. So there you have it. It's good as new. Now, I do not put clear coat on afterward. For some reason, it turns it silver metallic. I can't explain that. But that looks better than what it was. This is a 2021 Yukon, by the way. And yes, I did fix the other one. That looks so much better to me. My car dealers seem to agree with me. That's the way we fix them. And now it's good as new. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.